holiday appetizer. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. At this point you could serve toast points or grilled bread for bruschetta. Where I'm dicing up these awesome heirloom tomatoes and I'm putting them in a garlic basil vinaigrette. Here we go. This is another example of why I use a wood cutting board. Kills germs, so easy to clean. It's done. It's good to go. Yes, wood kills germs. Okay, so I've got my heirloom tomato mixture here. If you watch the other video, you'll see the recipe of exactly what I put in here. It's looking really, really good. A bit more salt. Yeah. Alright, so I'm just getting ready to serve this up, and I've got a creative way of doing that today. I'm going to be using a small ramekin. Putting this in the ramekin like so. Oh yeah, it smells so good. Oh, just like that. Alright. I've got a piece of fresh mozzarella here. I'm just going to cut this into some small slices. Oh yeah. I've got a bowl of really hot chili here. This is black bean chili. And if you're looking for the recipe, which I'm sure you are, check out the channel. Just search chili, C-H-I-L-I, and also C-H-I-L-E, and you'll find multiple recipes on this channel for chili. This is amazing chili, let me tell you. Alright, so I'm going to put a little bit of this fresh mozzarella around here. Like this. That's actually enough. And I'm going to serve this with a little bit of this toasted pita bread with the garlic. Oh yeah. This was in the other video. How does that look? You can imagine how good that smells and how good that's going to taste. Freshly toasted garlic pita bread, along with the spicy bruschetta style tomato mixture. And I'm going to finish this something unusual you haven't seen. Thought I would break out my torch and just melt that cheese a little bit. Just going to soften it up and melt it a little bit. Looks like I'm low on gas here. Okay, and the last thing I'm going to do Let's add a little bit of dried basil, mostly for contrast. I like my chili on the spicy side, unlike the rest of the guests. So for spice, New Mexico smoked chili powder. Yeah, that's gonna be good. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, support your sponsor, and videos will keep coming. As long as the sponsor gets some support, videos will keep being produced. This is Japanese kasumi, handmade in Japan, titanium. I like it, works great. This knife's been put to the test and used by multiple chefs for about maybe 10 years. It's still going. Good quality. You buy quality once and you're done. Don't buy all the cheap crap that they sell all over the place. The big box stores, you know who they are. They'll sell you everything. Free shipping and $5, and it's a bunch of crap. Get the good stuff the first time. With that, I'm going to let you go. Try the recipes. Keep cooking. And have a beautiful day. Oh yeah. I'm kind of thinking, just for a garnish, a little bit of this tomato right on top here on the chili. And maybe we're going to serve a couple of points like this. Yeah, that's going to be good. Yeah, not too big, not too heavy, easy to move around, super, super high quality, and you're buying an heirloom. This will last for generations as long as you take care of it.